Hi everybody, this is Larry from MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're aboard this beautiful 2024 Aviara 280. This boat is loaded with features, and one of the things that we're going to start off with is this really cool top. If you're in a boat lift or dry rack storage and you've got some height restrictions, this top powers down with the push of a button from this awesome control panel up here, where I can control the boat's lighting, the windlass, and this top. I'll go over it some more. As you can see, this top going up to the running position, and it's simple to lock in place, but it's really neat feature. Like I said, if you're in a boat lift or a dry rack storage with height constraints, this solves a lot of problems. It's a feature that you don't normally see on boats in this size. We've got a very, very spacious interior in this boat. It is yacht certified. You can have as many people as you like in here, as long as we've got life jackets for everyone, and you'll see that you've got space for 10 of your friends to go out and have a great time on the boat. Now that this is up, we're going to go through the rest of the boat, starting here at the helm, where I've got a nice ergonomically designed helm with steering wheel controls and the joystick piloting. This boat will be able to move sideways, diagonally. If you can play Pac-Man, if anybody remembers that, you can drive this boat. The other neat feature about this boat is we've got the automatic trim tab system from Lenco. So you can run your trim tabs manually if you like, or put it in automatic mode. The boat will level itself and maintain the proper running angle for optimal fuel efficiency and cruising comfort. Next, we'll take a look at the head compartment while we're right here. And what's nice about it is, being that it's on the center line of the boat, you can see it's got a nice deep step down. You can stand up in there real easily. It's a full marine head with holding tank and discharge with a freshwater sink down below. Nice and comfortable when it's in the center of the boat. Looking back into the cockpit, you can see the tremendous amount of room that we have here. Really nice styling on this 28 Aviara. We've got cup holders around all the seating. You've got really nice speaker grill covers here. It's a nice finish throughout the boat. And as we step up to the rear sun pad, you can see this giant area to lounge out here. Great for people who love the sun. You've got stereo controls right there. You've also got another hardtop control switch at the transom, so that if you have to step off the boat in your boat lift, you can go ahead and lower it from the back of the boat as well. Our power plant, twin 250 horsepower Mercury outboards, again with the joystick piloting. Tremendous amount of power, excellent handling in this Aviara, great seaworthiness, exceptional styling. Come on out and check this one out here at MarineMax in Jacksonville on Beach Boulevard. My name's Larry. Give me a call at 904-545-5310 if you'd like a sea trial. Thank you.